Jambo and welcome back. We are going to speak about the Format Painter. So first, what's the Format Painter? It's basically like doing Control C, Control V, but it's not going to copy the data. It's going to only copy the formatting. So let's say, sorry about that. We are going to have another column here called blah, as an example. It's not formatted like the other titles, percentages. See, if I want to format this the same way as this, I don't need to go back and say put the color, put this, and then it looks the same. I just need to select the cell that I want to copy the formatting, go to home, then click on this icon that looks like a paintbrush here, click on it, it highlights, you see the matching ants, and then go and click on where I want to paste it, and that's it. It's copied the font type, the size, color, bold, and everything. Okay, that's not only limited to such things such as color. I'm going to undo this and take them back to number. Okay, 0.35 and all this. Okay, so if I want to convert this to percentages as well, I just need to select this and go to Format Painter. That's the home ribbon, then click on Format Painter. It's already copied that, click and drag on the cells that I want to copy, and that's it. It's converted to percentages. So that's the beauty of a Format Painter. It copies the formatting only, it doesn't copy the content of whatever has happened in a cell. That allows you to move as quickly as possible, trying to modify your data to whatever you want it to be. That's it for format painting. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be talking about creating cells styles. See you then. Bye bye.